Yo guys, what's up? What's up? You guys can barely see me, but I did cop a new exhaust. Can't really see. It's dark. Hold on, let me. Still can't see. Fuck my life, but here. Let's go to some light. Let's go. There's some light over here. I should probably have done that at the beginning, right? It's this fucking guy. Anyways, I picked up a new exhaust. New axle back. And your boy went with Yanaka. So, we're going to be installing this, just not today. Because right now, we're going on a cruise. And I don't really feel like installing this right now. So, I'm just going to do some kind of cool transition to the morning. So, are you guys hyped? Yo, what's up guys? So we are changing the exhaust. So I'm on my way to Derek's right now. We're gonna go change the exhaust, and I kind of just want to give you a sound on how it sounds right now with the axle back I have on right now. So I'm just gonna give you like a little snippet right now. I'm like down the street from his house right now, just getting off of Bangater. But yeah, so I'm just going to let you hear how it sounds, and then after, when we're done installing it, I'm hoping it fits correctly. So I'm hoping it fits and that everything goes through, because I'm not completely sure if it's gonna fit. It was on an EG, but if it sticks out a little bit, then it sticks out. But here's the sound. It's a little ricey, I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty loud, but you know, I like it, especially when I'm just cruising. It has like a deep tone. You know, it's all right. I mean, it's been working for me since I got it, but I just want something a little bit more quiet. So. So this is basically the sound of it right now. I'm just a full exhaust. I don't know if it's a 2.5 or 3-inch piping, but that's how it sounds. And I'm running V-Series aftermarket headers. I mean, it sounds decent, you know. But all right, we're pulling into Derek's right now, and we are going to swap this exhaust. So let's get it. Got the exhaust put on. So let's see how it sounds. I gotta wash my car though.
Why'd you go see up, bro?
You ready? Yep. Yeah. Alright guys, so I picked up some fiber that we're going to use as a screen, some hose clamps, and we're going to be installing a new intake system for this car. So, oh, look at my little baby. Alright, well I'll see you when we get to Darnell's so we can finish this up. Yo, what's up guys? So right now, Derek is back there. Let's see. I gotta zoom in. Derek's back there doing a shoot right now. Came with him to do a shoot. His FRS. So that's what we're doing right now. I did get the intake on. I'll show you guys. Yo, what's up guys? So been a couple days. I haven't really been able to, hold on. I haven't been able really to vlog or anything. I didn't really show you guys what we got done, so let me show you.
That's the new intake. So what I did is I went to Lowe's and bought this screen. You can barely see it, but there's a screen right here. So that way no rocks, no anything goes up into my intake system. So far, it's done pretty good. So yeah, yeah. It's starting to get hella cold outside. But definitely looks, I like the look. Performance-wise, I haven't felt a difference as of yet, so we'll see.